Hello, this is Lily's Touch once again. Now, this is a step-by-step video showing you guys how to cut the lace around the Fingerwave unit. A lot of you guys purchased this unit from me and you guys are not sure how to go about putting it on. So watch closely to see how it's done. So now, in order to do this step correctly, you would have to measure the wig on your head and measure the band around the back of your neck, your head rather, to make sure that you have the right size for the band and to make sure you know which area you will be sewing your band. Notice that I didn't sew it at the end of the ear area. I kind of stayed away from that area because I'm going to have to cut a little bit of that lace part towards the end. Watch to see exactly what I'm saying. Okay, so this the reason why I left the excess lace out and I didn't sew the band in that area, because when I tried on the unit was too big for me. So the only way you can customize it to fit you is to leave the sides out, so that you could cut the lace so that you can have a proper fitting. And don't worry if the finger wave look like it's coming apart on the side. A little got to be glue spray can fix that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe to my channel so that you could always see my videos. Thank you for watching.